Hi, I'm Daniel Lalic from Altitude Advisory, and today I'm going to be discussing cash flow management during a crisis. It's no secret we are currently in the midst of an unprecedented world event. People are losing jobs, businesses are closing doors, and the old faithful, cash is king, is more relevant now than ever. Depending on your industry, you might now find yourself with a bit more spare time on your hands, and this can be the perfect opportunity for you to take the necessary steps to ensure you come out of this in the best possible position you can. Your survival is largely going to be dependent on your cash flow. So now I'm going to take you through the key action items to ensure you can maximize your cash flow throughout this crisis. So you want to be decisive with your decision making. There's no time like the present, and if you need to act, you need to do it now, because tomorrow might just be too late. Every day you don't do something just makes it easier for you not to do anything the next day. You want to clean up your accounting software. So the accuracy of your data is vital in being able to accurately determine your actual cash position. It's a simple case of garbage in, garbage out. There's no waiting to the end of the month or waiting to the end of the quarter to close off. Your accounting software needs to be up to the date daily. This is going to be vital for you in being able to make the correct decisions based on the amount of cash flow you have. And you don't want to run your business from your bank account. Your bank account is not a reflection of your receipts due to come in and payments due to go out. It's merely just your balance on that day. You want to prepare various projections. You want to know what your best case scenario is, what your worst case scenario is. This is going to give you a bit of a crystal ball approach to the coming weeks and allow you to allow you to best prepare for what is to come. At the end of the day, the more information you have available to you, the better you're going to sleep at night. You want to be conservative. Be conservative with your forecast. Be conservative with your expenditure. Don't spend money on the business unless you absolutely have to. We also want to set key milestones for action. So if this happens, this must occur. For an example, if revenue drops by 50%, there is no more capacity for 2 staff members. Also, we want to invoice daily. We want to complete the jobs today and we want to build them today. We don't want to wait to the end of the month and then spend 30 days waiting to be paid, only to find out that payment's not going to come in for another couple of days. We want to send out the bill today and we want that clock to start ticking. You need to have a diligent system to collect your debts. It's your business, it's your terms, and this needs to be clear. You can use your accounting software to set auto reminders. So when a payment is a few days off of being due, it will send an email to your customer, reminding them that that needs to be paid. We can also look to reduce our surplus assets. So there might be some old stock lying around, or there might be some old items of plant and equipment that can be disposed of. You also want to try and stretch your supplier payments where possible. Now you need to tread very carefully with this one, because relationships are going to be vital in getting you through this and just as important on the other side of this. So you don't want to create a bad rep for yourself. And there's also no need to run and hide. If you're in a situation where you can't make payments, don't wait for those amounts to be overdue. Pick up the phone, communicate, provide transparency, and you need to remember the person on the other side of that phone is probably in a similar situation to you. So there might be a bit more understanding than you think. You also want to speak to your bank. Get in touch with your relationship manager or your branch. They might be able to offer you some reduced interest rates or fees, which might take some strain off cash flow. And finally, get some advice. This is an unprecedented world event and you're not alone. And you're also not expected to be an expert on this. So whether it's us, whether it's your bank, whether it's a financial planner, please give somebody a call and talk about this. Finally, if you would like to get in touch with Altitude Advisory, feel free to do so. We can help you manage your cash flow.